so funny when you ask someone like, what is your vision in life? And they like, someone doesn't really know, you know what I mean? And like, to be happy and healthy, I think that that's a good kind of correlation, especially for me and you who are health coaches who are related in this field of like what our overall vision is like. But you know what the hell makes you happy and healthy. You know what you got to do in life. You know, like these grounding principles. You've obviously done some introspection. You've written down, you journal about it. And while it took you a second to kind of tap into that innate wisdom, you got into a flow and you really just dived into like your why and why
Mm.
you do all this stuff, why you put yourself in uncomfortable situations, why you add these stressors of the cold plunge, of uncomfortable workouts, of grinding days out in the sun under the artificial lights on the computer doing podcasts that doesn't necessarily like get your heart going, but you know that it's necessary in order to prosper for yourself, for your community, for those around you and your family. And yeah, that's what it sounds like when someone knows what the hell makes them happy and healthy. So thank you for sharing that, Rob.